Good to see you all again here at Wealthy Coins. Warning, Shiba Inu owners are getting ready for an earthquake that might cost $2.08 billion. Cleared up? The 7-day performance of Shiba Inu, a prominent Ethereum-based meme coin, saw a precipitous 9% drop. Among SHIB members, this caused widespread alarm. In August alone, 3,785,744,343 tokens were destroyed, according to ShibBurn, a Twitter handle that updates about SHIB token burns. The topic of warning will be discussed in this video. Fearing a $2.08 billion quake, Shiba Inu owners readied themselves. Details provided. To stay updated on our new material about Shiba Inu price forecast and expert analysis, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel. We will start the video without further ado. On September 4th, let's check out what Shiba Inu is up to. Following the traditional rectangle bottom formation, SHIB has turned the $0.1217 mark into instant support. Buyers discovered a solid base at this support level, and SHIB saw a pattern breakout into its Bollinger Band's basis line. The meme coin could be set for a protracted upswing in the upcoming sessions if it closes above this line. SHIB bulls have shown a slow but steady increase in vigor after staying on a sideways path for more than 2 months. Last month's rectangular breakout showed that buyers continued to build on their underlying pressure. After a 3-week folding wedge slump, the purchasing power recovered and caused a breakout rebound at the 12.17 cents level. The 20 MA is still moving higher than the 50 MA, thus the bulls are trying to keep their advantage. A possible invalidation could be indicated by any bearish crosses. In the next days, SHIB may have moderate volatility as the upper and lower bands of the BB converge, opening up recovery gateways towards the 134 cents to 138 cents. Range can be achieved by hiking beyond the basic line in the 129 cents region. If the price drops below the 12.17 cents support level, it could indicate a negative revival or even a longer-term downturn. Following a brief foray above the midline, the relative strength index experienced a small increase in buying power. In order to profit from the latest breakout, investors should aim for persistent closes above the 50 mark. In addition, the price action was bullishly divergent from the CMF lower trues. To validate the bullish bias, a prolonged increase beyond the minus 0.12 mark is required. Despite the ADX being in a decline for the past many weeks, this has occurred. Lastly, Bitcoin's movement with broader market sentiment could be crucial in recognizing any bullish invalidations, as the cryptocurrency shares a 49% 30-day correlation with Bitcoin. There is a lot happening right now in the cryptocurrency industry, and long-forgotten coins are making a triumphant return. The billionaire Elon Musk has spoken out strongly on Shiba Inus, and he has strong opinions about everything that's happening in the cryptocurrency industry. In this bad market, nobody can fathom why Shiba Inu is the greatest meme coin to put their money into. Oshiverse will be the name of the Shiba Inu metaverse, according to an announcement. So far, it appears like Shiba Inu is meeting consumer demand at a rate that exceeds expectations. The creators of Shiba Inu naturally want to provide their loyal audience with something fresh, especially with all the projects that have been announced or are already in use. You might say it's one of Twitter's most popular coins. For many crypto fans who are always on the lookout for new and exciting coins to buy in or learn more about, the social media platform has proven time and again that it controls trends and significantly impacts public opinion. We all took note of the Shiba Inu coin that Ryoshi introduced to us, featuring the instantly identifiable dog breed as a trademark. Many individuals want to buy it because it is a meme currency. The Shiba Inu coin is the first thing that comes to mind when someone hears the name of this breed. That is not the subject of your discussion. This reveals a lot about the level of interest individuals have in cryptocurrency. People pay close attention to every new currency that comes out. Among the numerous advantages of holding Shiba Inu coins is the ability to trade them for fiat money or even Bitcoin. The purchasing price of one of the biggest Shiba Inu whales reached $22 million after it added over 2 trillion SHIB to its balance, with over $319 million worth of SHIB tokens on its balance. This wallet is the 6th largest Shiba Inu wallet. and it was done in under 24 hours, according to data. In the Shiba Inu community, large transactions like these are common, but people usually look askance at them because of their size. One of the most contentious issues in the community is the fact that no one knows who owns this wallet. A private investor or the team's wallet might be the owner, according to some. However, countless of investors' funds could be sitting in this wallet if it's an exchange wallet. Other prominent Shiba Inu investors are also closely monitored. They have been among the most vocal advocates for the meme coin, and the majority of them are also Ethereum whales. Last year, SHIB investments shrank by around 85%, reducing their total worth from over $1 billion to approximately $152 billion. Last year, the biggest Ethereum whales' SHIB holdings lost value in dollars. Even while whales have sold some of their tokens to contribute to the collapse, the slump has also hurt their positions. According to Masari's data, Shiba Inu is presently the 13th biggest cryptocurrency by market cap. However, it has fallen more than 85% from its peak. During the bull market, the majority of its investors had purchased the digital asset. Consequently, profits have plummeted everywhere. The price of SHIB jumped 9% to 0.1340 USD on Sunday. Meme currency, however, had distributed the bulk of these gains by the end of the day. Shiba Inu investors have been hit particularly hard by the bear market and the fact that their dogs can't hold their worth. Despite the optimism that the SHIB burn technique offered, the chart showed otherwise. Market capitalization was $6,725,682,032, and the price was $12.26. And as of this writing on Mod Lord. Fortunately, developers are doing everything they can to improve the burn policy, even though SHIB has recently taken price moves. For those seeking profits in the long run, this may be seen as a good indicator. Just lately, the burn technique become available on units WAP. Savo. The goal of the burn procedure was to raise the token's value. The positive impact of this development could be seen on SHIB daily chart, which was predominantly red when this was being reported. The developers of SHIB released a blog post last week that detailed significant modifications to the much-discussed SHIB metaverse, in addition to the burn procedure. The developers claim that since the announcement on the third level, they have been hard at work laying the groundwork for the metaverse. The developer has stated that this fundamental framework is an amalgam of industry standards and dedicated individuals who would strive for a fully immersive experience befitting the Shiba Inu community. With these advancements, SHIB can perhaps reach the moon as well. The realized value ratio of SHIB market value fell towards the end of August. On the other hand, this pattern has recently shifted slightly upward, which could indicate that prices will be going up soon. There is some evidence that exchange outflow has picked up speed, which could lead to a price jump in the near future. Numerous market indications, in addition to on-chain data and ecosystem updates, pointed to an imminent price spike. Two indicators that could point to an increase are the moving average convergence, divergence, and the exponential moving average ribbon. In the first indicator, a bullish crossover was seen, while in the second, the gap between the 20-day and 55-day exponential moving averages shrank. Bollinger Bands further confirmed that SHIB price was inside a squeezed zone, which raised the prospect of a breakout. It is possible that SHIB would display a higher movement in the next days, given all the network advancements and market indications. The day came to an end with that.